Hello everyone, welcome back to the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel. Shiba Inu is showing once again delightful results as we could see the meme marking pumping in price over $50 billion once again. So we're looking at Shiba Inu quickly. There has been an increase in the network fees, also a large amount of token burning as well recently, which is really good to see. Over the last 7 days, we're still trying to claw back to that previous local high at 0.000025, but we did have a dollar cost average opportunity down at this low 0.000021 region. So still got a way to go. We're still about 40% down from the recent local top, which indeed did give Shiba a nice MC of $21 billion. So we're quite a way from there. We're 40% down in price as well. But you can see it's just trading this very much, very careful and precise looking almost trading pattern right here. And it kind of just looks like a bit like a falling wedge, really. You can see it right here on the chart. So just want to talk about Shiba Inu fee spikes 5x. What's happening? Why is Shiba pumping right now? Do subscribe to the 99 Bitcoins channel if you're new here, by the way. So in the past 24 hours, transaction fees on Shibarium, Shiba Inu's layer 2 scaling solution, has seen a staggering 500% increase. This coincides with a notable 200% jump in active network accounts, signaling a renewed interest in the project. The reasons behind Shiba Inu's renewed momentum are subject of debate among experts. Some analysts point to the inherent volatility of meme coins and their susceptibility to social media driven price fluctuations. So Bitcoin did also, as we know, reach a low of 56.8k or something over the last few days. There was a blip down, you can't see it on these charts, but low $57,000, and since then has made another bounce to the upside. It doesn't mean that we will go back up to astronomical levels. We could still go down, but I'm feeling keen. I'm feeling like, the markets could look good for us over the next few weeks here. May wasn't a great start. The day today does look very good, but the week and the month itself are still pretty red, but we are starting to see the sirens of euphoria ring once again, and fingers crossed we will see more bullish momentum over here. So Shiba burning rate up 1,312%. If we just look at some recent burns over here, you can see Shiba has had some big burns. 36 minutes ago, 10 million SHIB tokens. 3 hours ago, 14.9 million SHIB tokens. And yeah, as you go through these pages, you can just see more whale transactions and big burns that have been taking place. So I think Shiba Inu, it has had a strong daily candle here. It needs to get back to the 2851 region and battle back into the 0.3 region. But it's the second time in, just a few kind of weeks, really, a few days, where Shiba has come down to that 0.00002 region, and every time you get these massive whale buys come flowing in, saving the day for Shiba again. So we're seeing that bullish reversal take place. Could be a dead cat bounce, but fingers crossed we will start to get that bullish momentum now to the upside. We want to see kind of this path take place and make our way towards the upside. Retest the resistance of 255, which we haven't had a chance to do yet, and there may be more continuation. But of course, if the markets tilt the other way, we could still see the negative, and we could still see 0.00018 and maybe even lower, but fingers crossed that isn't going to happen. And these are just small shakeouts in the market designed to trick people to sell their bags before they go back up in price. That could be exactly what this is: a careful, precise curation, a man-made kind of chart, if you want to call it that. So let's also talk about another thing in the markets. WienerAI new website update looks amazing. This is a 10x potential pre-sale. I've got a link right down below where you guys can buy and research into this token. Do your own due diligence. So WienerAI now $0.000703, 920k raised out of 1.123 million before the price goes up again. So WienerAI, revolutionary AI trading bot. We can see 1 billion plus tokens are staked, with 68% of the supply being staked. Got some massive rewards, as you can see right here. I've got $6,000 worth of this token, by the way. That is not even a joke. I literally bought it. I'll show you right now. If you guys do want to see, I have got 8.77 million tokens. So I'm very bullish on this one. This reminds me of Scotty the AI. I do think we're going to get some upside potential. But going back here, we've got 1000% APY That's some big staking rewards there. And like I say, over 1 billion of these tokens are being staked at the moment. Not financial advice, but this is very, very cool. The supply will be indeed dispersed over a 2-year period. That's when we'll slowly see the overall supply unlock to a total of 60 million plus there. But it's looking really, really good. And I think it's a good looking pre-sale. You've got the Wiener sausage being the character, 0 fees, MEEV bot protection. So you're not going to get those front run bots at all. Seamless sausage swaps, AI enhanced trading, outsmart the market with WAI as well. So really cool, bit of utility, bit of fun. Tokenomics at 69 billion tokens over there, as you can see here, guys. And then, yeah, decent breakdown of 30% into pre-sale, 20% to staking, 20% on community rewards, 10% on DEX, SEX liquidity, and 20% on the marketing. As we scroll down, you can see step 3 of the roadmap does hint at a massive global exchange platform launch, which should help with a lot of fresh eyes, boost volume and trading liquidity into the project. So cool meme coin. Meme coins are narrative and meta at the moment. And I think, you know, this could be one as well. From 0 followers to 6,221 followers in just a few days. You can see already they've got a lot of changes happening. The website is updated. It's looking more fresh. And things are looking pretty good for this project right here. So check out WienerAI. The link is down below if you want to buy some. Do remember it's not financial advice. Shiba Inu also looking pretty interesting at the moment. I want to see that real bullish reversal take place. We want to see Shiba Inu grow more and more. If you're new to the crypto space as well, make sure you check out my Discord channel with over 25,000 amazing people in it. The link is down below, where we're talking about crypto news, insights, and way loads of other things that could help you potentially enhance and augment your portfolio this coming bull run. Do jump in on the action. And yeah, Bitcoin's back above 60, so we're looking good, guys. Shiba hopefully will go back up in price soon. And yeah, guys, let me know what you think down below about Shiba Inu. What other memes are you looking at? Do you think WienerAI looks cool? I want to hear more from your thoughts. Bye for now, stay crypto safe, and have a great day. See you soon.